Ever been drowning in a sea of receipts, struggling to keep track of your expenses? Or maybe you're a freelancer or small business owner who needs a simple way to manage your finances. Well, today, we're diving into a tool that could be your financial lifesaver, Expensify. And the best part? It's completely free. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly understand why you'd want to use Expensify. It's a powerful expense management tool that automates the entire process, from capturing receipts to getting reimbursed. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for the tech-challenged. Step-by-step guide. Sign up for a free account. Head over to the Expensify website and click Sign Up. Choose the free plan option. Provide the necessary information, such as your email address and password. Connect your bank account, optional but recommended. This step is optional but highly recommended. Connecting your bank account allows Expensify to automatically import transactions, saving you time and effort. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your account. Capture your receipts. Manual entry. You can manually enter details like date, merchant, amount, and category. Mobile app. Use the Expensify mobile app to snap photos of your receipts. The app's advanced OCR technology extracts key information, making the process faster. Email receipts. Forward your receipts to a unique email address provided by Expensify. The tool will automatically process them. Organize your expenses. Expensify automatically categorizes your expenses based on merchant information. You can manually edit or add categories as needed. Use tags to further organize your expenses, making it easier to filter and analyze your spending habits. Submit expense reports. Create expense reports by selecting the relevant expenses. Add any necessary comments or notes. Submit the report to your approver or accounting team. Get reimbursed faster. Once your expense report is approved, Expensify can generate reimbursement requests. You can choose to receive reimbursement via direct deposit or a paper check. Additional tips and tricks. Customize your workflow. Expensify offers a high degree of customization. You can tailor the tool to your specific needs and preferences. Integrate with other tools. Connect Expensify to other tools you use, such as QuickBooks or Slack, to streamline your workflow. Utilize SmartScan. This feature allows you to scan multiple receipts at once, saving you even more time. Take advantage of Expensify's community. Join the Expensify community to get tips, tricks, and support from other users. With its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, and free plan, Expensify is an excellent choice for individuals and small businesses. By following these steps, you can easily manage your expenses and get reimbursed faster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.